Flight is not just about getting airborne. In complex environments, it is about knowing exactly where you are. When GPS signals are unstable or environmental features are complex, satellite positioning alone is not always reliable. VIO combines changes seen by the camera with motion detected by inertial sensors. No preloaded maps, no map matching right from the start. In any unfamiliar environment, concrete roads, grasslands, gravel paths, even rivers reflecting the daylight sky, ripples, reflections, drifting objects. Every one of them is a clue that helps it understand motion. Flying from one point to another and then making multiple turns, VIO doesn't simply record a flight path. It fuses visual data with inertial measurements, continuously correcting attitude and position in real time. So, even through multiple consecutive turns, it maintains a stable, accurate trajectory. In a hexagonal loop rod test, the VIO-equipped Q-Mini during repeated turning flight achieved a positioning error of only 1.5% through repeated turns. Until the 25-kilometer straight-line round-trip loop test. At 5 kilometers, the waypoint error was 20 meters, about 4 per mil. Reaching 25 kilometers, the error increased by only 15 meters to about 1.4 per mil. Even at 100 kilometers, the error remains stable at around 35 meters, about 0.35 per mil. This shows that VIO can effectively suppress cumulative errors over long-distance flights, retain stable and reliable positioning ability in repetitive road tasks. Even when GPS falls silent, VIO keeps the drone locked in place using vision and inertia alone.